Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Tahoe Suburban Yukon Denali. 2H, which is the everyday driving mode. It's the simplest mode to begin with. This is the mode that you use for everyday normal driving, whether on highways, city roads. It runs the car in rear-wheel drive, meaning the power goes only to the back wheels, which helps with fuel efficiency. Automatic four-wheel drive sends power to all four wheels at the same time. It varies the power depending on the driving conditions of the road. This results in slightly lower fuel efficiency. 4H or four-wheel drive means that the 4x4 system is engaged all the time. This is useful for normal wet condition driving or even off-road in the sand, mud, or even snow. It can be used both on-road and off-road at the same time. For low, or what they call low range, it's maximum torque for extreme conditions. Think of it as beast mode for your car. It reduces the speed of your car like a slow tractor, but it gives you maximum torque and power. It's perfect for rock crawling, soft sand driving, deep mud, steep climbs, or recovering from very tricky situations. Off-road mode is to be used in conjunction with 4H, 4Low, and Auto mode. What it does is it raises the height of the car, it increases the response on the pedal, and enhances the traction control system for off-road use. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning, and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. Detect off or rollover detection disable system. What it does is it prevents the airbags from deploying during off-road driving. So if the car is at a steep angle or steep slope or inclination, it will prevent airbags from deploying and causing damage to your car. Hill descent control is a feature that applies automatic brakes on steep hills or slopes, so it keeps the speed of the car low and allows it to descend in a controlled fashion. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.